Free your body. Poi doesn't have to be stiff. It can be dynamic, expressive, and fun, and I want to show you how. On March 5th, I'm starting a special 5-week session of live stream classes where I'll teach you how to move with the prop in ways that you never thought possible. Wherever you are in the world, you can join me to learn how to make your Poi pop, glide, snap, and explode. Registration is open now at drexfactor.com/live/Poi Dance. Come join me to dance. This class is available to all levels of Poi spinners. If you can do pendulums, windmills, hip reels, buzzsaws, and caps, you're good to go. All classes are recorded so you can catch up on the ones you missed or rewatch at your convenience to learn at your own pace. Join a worldwide ensemble of people learning to move with their Poi to tell stories, express themselves, and create beautiful works of art. And if this is your first time taking class with me, you can get 20% off the price of the course when you use the code FIRSTTIME at checkout. Again, you can sign up over at drexfactor.com/live/Poi Dance. And I hope I get to see you in class.